Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel today. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be putting together this awesome store flat box that you can purchase in the Silhouette Design Store or at shop.lorywhitlock.com in SVG format. So this cute little box is really simple. I just want to show you how to fold it. It's kind of fun because it has this score line through the back here, which allows you to fold it flat for storing. And I'll show you how that works when we are done assembling it. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and fold on all those vertical score lines, just like that. And then go ahead and fold all those bottom score lines up, just like that. And then you'll notice on these sides, there's some score lines, so you'll go ahead and fold those in half. And then there's some angled ones, and they're a little trickier to get to, but you're gonna push those up into a triangle, just like that. You can kind of see how that starts to form a little triangle side there. So let's just go ahead and flip that over, and we're going to put some adhesive on this glue tab. Make sure that sticks really well. And we'll just fold that over and glue that down. And then we just fold the bottom up, the two sides in, and then you'll just crisscross that bottom. Okay, and then to finish up the box, you'll notice that those sides just pull in like that, and you can pull the little fastener down and clip it into that hole. Just like that. So that's how the box closes. And then to store it, you'll notice that little score line across the back. You can just collapse the entire box and push it up flat. So if you want to make a bunch of these and have them ready to go, you could just store them flat like this in a box and then pull them out and pop them open, and they're perfect for holding a gift card or a small gift of some sort. So fun. So I hope you enjoy making this awesome store flat box. Get that back together, and so very cute and easy to make and wonderful to have on hand for a variety of gift giving occasions. Have a great day, and we'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.